Yes, Blonde, we're down here in the Two Tube Sessions room with Cut Corners. Thank you so much for coming in, lads.
Thanks for having us.
Obviously, after the critical acclaim that was the first album, approaching the new one, were there any nerves?
Not particularly. We had kind of finished, we'd like set our minds on what sort of album we wanted to record. Kind of by the time we'd finished the first album, we knew where we wanted to take the music for the second
It's been,
album.
am I right to say it's been 3 years?
Just over 3 years.
Just over 3 years. So it was a conscious decision to let yourselves have that much time to just breathe and actually work on the material for that long, or was it finished quite a while ago?
It was actually, yeah, we completed the album some time ago, but it just takes time to put videos and things in place, so and sort of tying up everybody's schedules and stuff takes a while, so yeah, we could have put it out a year ago maybe, but this is sort of the right time for us. So.
Listening to it, it feels a lot bigger, a lot more, I guess, ambitious in some areas. And you worked with Tommy from The Villagers, am I right to say? What did he bring to the experience and to the album?
He brought a really big, fancy studio.
Which is always a plus.
Which is great. Yeah, no, he has an amazing studio up in Donegal and beautiful gear and a beautiful old sort of Harrison desk that he got from the States. So it's sort of in that early sort of tracking stage, he brought a lot in terms of, he has amazing sort of equipment and vintage drum kits and vintage amplifiers and things like that. So he was great from that point of view. And then we took the tracks to London to a guy called Ben Hillier, who's worked with like Blur and Depeche Mode and Elbow and people.
Amazing names. Well, Think Nothing is out right now, and of course you got a gig in the Bun Factory on
May 9th.
May 9th, and you're going to play for us. What song?
YKK.
Take it away.
YKK are the last 3 letters I heard you say. YKK are the last 3 letters I saw today. Someone had them written on the back. Someone had them written on the back to front to back. Why stop now when your head doesn't know that your body's tiring? Hand to mouth's not the best way to live, but it beats expiring. I can feel it rising in my chest. I can feel it rising in my chest. Oh yes, oh yes. I pause for applause, but it never seems to come. Am I doing something wrong? Or am I doing just great? Or am I doing just great? Keep it up, you say. Underplaying the lengths you are going to get your own way, and underscoring the fact the effect of rejection can be overstated. I'll say whatever you want me to say. I'll say whatever you want me to say. Okay. And I appreciate the thought. That's why I'm smiling through the pain. Should I be worried that you're not? Or am I doing just great? Or am I doing just great? Keep it up, you say. Keep it up, you say. Keep it up, keep it YKK. Keep it up, YKK. Keep it up, YKK. Keep it up, you say.